Triple product of vectors. The product of three vectors with the help of a dot and a cross is called triple product of vectors. If the product is scalar, it is called scalar triple product. If the product is vector, it is called vector triple product. It is the product of a three-dimensional vector, usually Euclidean vector. The name of triple product is used for two different products. The scalar valued, that is scalar triple product, less often the vector valued, that is vector product. Now, two types of a triple product. One is the scalar triple product, another is the vector triple product. Scalar triple product, that is also called mixed product. Let A, B and C be any three vectors. The scalar product of A and B cross C is called scalar triple product. That means A dot B cross C is equal to ABC triple product is called the scalar triple product of A, B and C in this order. The scalar triple product of A, B and C in this order: A dot B cross C, that is equal to A, B, C, that is bracket, A comma B, C bracket, that is the scalar triple product. You can take comma or blank also. The circular permutation of the scalar triple product like ABC, BCA or CAB all are equal. Properties. Scalar triple product A dot B cross C is a scalar quantity always. Scalar multiplication of the triple product K A vector dot B cross C is equal to K into ABC, means ABC triple product. Geometrically, the magnitude of the scalar triple product is the volume of the parallelopiped by adjacent sides A, B, C, A vector, B vector, C vector. Then the volume of the parallel pipe is A dot B cross C magnitude. That means this is A vector, this is A vector, this is B vector, this is C vector. So that's the volume of the parallel pipe A dot B cross C. Volume is equal to A dot B cross C magnitude. That means volume of the parallel pipe. If A is equal to A1 ik, A2 jk, A3 kk, B is equal to B1 ik, B2 jk, B3 kk, C is equal to C1 ik, C2 jk, C3 kk. Then first you have to find out B cross C, that is I k, j k, kk, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Then A dot B cross C means scalar triple product is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 का determinant. Now fifth property, A dot B cross C is equal to C dot A cross B is equal to A cross B dot C. all are same. ABC का ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू माइनस SCB का ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट, स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट। AAB का स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट इक्वल टू 0, बिकॉज दो वेक्टर सेम होने से 0 होता है। जस्ट लाइक ABA ऑल्सो 0, BAA ऑल्सो 0, ABB ऑल्सो 0। If ABC are coplanar, then A dot B cross C equal to 0 means scalar triple product equals। ये कोप्लानर होने से इस स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट 0 होगा, और स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट 0 होने से ABC are coplanar। If 4 points ABCD are coplanar, if the vectors AB, SC and AD are coplanar, if these are coplanar, that means AB dot SC cross AD vector is equal to 0. That means scalar triple product is equal to 0. If ABCD are coplanar, then AB vector, SC vector and AD vector also coplanar. That's why AB dot SC cross AD vector is equal to 0. Find A dot B cross C. That is find scalar triple product. If A vector is given, that is 2ik plus jk plus 3k, and B vector is equal to minus ik plus 2jk plus kk, C vector 3ik plus jk plus 2kk. Now A dot B cross C vector is equal to, that is equal to 1 3, then minus 1 2 1, then 3 1 2. That means after finding determinant the value comes minus 10. So the scalar triple product is equal to minus 10. Now comes to another question. So that the vectors A vector, B vector, C vector are coplanar. That means you have to find out the scalar triple product. When the scalar triple product is 0, then the vectors are coplanar. Now A dot B cross C is equal to that 1 here, that is 1. That is minus 2, 3 you write it. Here minus 2, 3, minus 4 you write it. 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 35. Minus 3, this is equal to 5. This is equal to minus 3, this is equal to 5. Ka determinant is equal to 0. If you find that the determinant value, it comes to 0. That's why ABC vectors are coplanar. Find lambda if the vectors A and B and C are given, and these three vectors are coplanar also given. First of all, given A, B, C vector are coplanar, that means scalar triple product equal to 0. If scalar triple product equal to 0, then A dot B cross C is equal to 1 3 minus 1, 2 1 minus 1, 1 3 1 2 1 minus 1, lambda 7 3. It is coplanar, so that equal to 0. That means after finding determinate value, so that is equal to 0, then you solved the value that lambda is equal to 0. So that the 4 points ABCD with position vector 4ik plus 5jk plus kk minus jk minus kk, 3ik 9jk plus 4kk, and 4 into minus ik plus jk plus kk respectively are coplanar. Prove that coplanar. Given 4 points ABCD are coplanar if AB, SC, AD are coplanar. That's why if AB, SC, AD का triple product equal to 0, scalar triple product equal to 0, then it is coplanar. And first you have to find out AB, that is B minus A. So that is minus 4 आएगा, minus 6 आएगा, minus 2 आएगा. Now SC 3ik 9jk plus 4kk minus 4ik plus 5jk plus kk, that is minus I plus 3k. AD vector is equal to 4 into minus I plus j plus k minus 4i plus 5j plus kk. minus 8ik minus jk plus 3kk. That means we got that is AB vector, AC vector, AD vector. So that we have to find out the triple product. That scalar triple product is equal to minus 4, minus 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 4, 3. That is minus 1, 4, 3. That is minus 8, minus 1, 3. Minus 8, minus 1, 3. The determinant equal to 0. The determinant equal to kitna na 0. So that's why A, B, C, D are coplanar. Prove that A plus B, B plus C, C plus A का triple product equal to twice of A, B, C का triple product. That means this triple A plus B, B plus C, C plus A triple product is equal to A plus B dot B plus C cross C plus A. That is scalar triple product. That means A plus B, then cross A plus A cross C, B cross A, C cross C, plus C cross A. So here C cross A is equal to 0. That's why B cross C, B cross A, C cross A. Now this part multiply with this. That is A is multiply with this. That means A dot B cross. A is dot product with B cross A. That A is dot product C cross A. Plus B is dot product with B cross C. B is dot product with B cross A. B is dot product C cross A. That is A dot B cross C. A dot B cross A, that is equal to 0. Same A, so that's why it is 0. That is A dot C cross A equal to 0 because double A. That is B dot B cross C is equal to 0. B dot B cross A equal to 0. Only B dot C cross A is there. That is A dot B cross C plus 0, 0, 0, 0 plus B dot C cross A. That is here this is equal to ABC. Here also this is equal to ABC. So that's why that is twice of A vector, B vector, C vector. Now prove the another question. A, B, C plus D is equal to A, B, C plus triple product plus AD, ABD का scalar triple product. We get A dot B, A, B, C plus D scalar triple product is equal to A dot B cross C plus D. That B multiply here, B is multiply here. That means B cross C plus B cross D. Now A dot multiply with this, A dot multiply with this, A dot B cross C plus A dot B cross D. Now this is equal to ABC का scalar triple product. This is ABD का scalar triple product.